Hi guys, happy new year, happy 2019. Hope you're all doing well. Thank you so much for joining me on my channel, Dine with Jane. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please press that subscribe button, and if you want to be notified every time I upload a video, please don't forget to hit the bell and you'll be notified every single time I upload a video. So yeah, new year, new things. So I just thought I'm gonna start with a salad. So today I'll be making a goat cheese and walnut salad. So this one has some beetroot, some pomegranates, some potatoes, sweet potatoes, and just nice things in it. Some leeks, celery, and it's easy to make. Chuck everything in the oven. Within 30-35 minutes you have your dinner all set and ready. If you're not a fan of goat's cheese, you can use any other type of cheese you want, or you can omit cheese altogether, and just having the beetroots is a good idea, and having the walnuts, you can add different type of nuts to bring out the proteins and all the nutrients of different things that you want. So yes, that is my recipe for New Year 2019. And yeah, and show you love, and yeah, I will do my best to do short videos. And if you have any suggestion of something that you'd like me actually to make, do leave your comment below, and I'm gonna try my best. I love trying different recipes and new recipes. Yeah, to share, like, comment and subscribe as I said, and I will be seeing you again. Thank you so much for all those who've subscribed already, and if you haven't, don't forget. And I'll be talking to you on all my social media. I am on Facebook, Dine with Jane. I'm on Instagram, Dine with Jane. You'll find me there with different type of foods. And yeah, no further ado, let's get on and start making this goat cheese salad. So I've put in the salad that I'm doing. It's a roasted vegetables with goat's cheese that I'm doing, and I've just put it in the oven. So I'm gonna cook it or roast it for 35 minutes. So if you don't like goat's cheese, you can try something different, but I love goat's cheese, so we're gonna have that as our dinner tonight. It's pretty dark outside and it's only 6 o'clock, so yeah, it's shortly we'll be having our dinner. Hope you guys enjoy. I'm gonna try and do short videos of food that I cook during the week. I just came from work. As you can see, I'm still in my uniform, watching some what do you call it, the Green Calabash. They're my favorite family bloggers from Kenya. So yeah, hope you all enjoy, and if you like these short videos that I'll be putting out, do let me know. Don't mind my shiny face. As I said, I just came from work and yeah, ready to have a shower. So now I'll just add in some cheese, the goat's cheese on, and then I put it back in the oven just to maybe 3 to 5 minutes to let the cheese melt on top of the vegetables. So as I say, in this house we love our goat's cheese, so that's going back in the oven 5 minutes. Hi everyone, Happy New Year,